here today. I'm reviewing a Melitta. A Melitta are very good if you don't want a traditional machine. So you want the machine to make the coffee for you because you're too lazy to do it yourself. So, how does a Melitta work? But how does Melitta work? Melitta is basically got your drink selections across the top. It's a lovely touchscreen design. So we've got espresso, black coffee, cappuccino, latte, milk foam, and then you've got hot water, and you can do two. So you can press the two button and then any of those, and it will do two at the same time. Not one, two! So, next you've got your amount that you've got in the drink. So you can either press plus or minus on this, or slide it up and down like that, or that will change the amount in milliliters. So you can change the amount of water going in your drink. The next one is coffee. So you can make your coffee stronger. Or if you're a bit of a wussy, you can make your coffee weaker as well. And obviously you can slide your finger up and down and change those settings. You can change the settings of your water while the machine is making the coffee, but you can't change your coffee because it's already grabbing you stupid person. So next you've got the bean select. So you've got two hoppers at the back. You can have two different types of beans. So you can select, I want the one from Brazil, or I don't like Brazil, I want the one from Kenya. So you can press the one, and you get the one from Kenya on the other side, or whichever way you put it. Next, you've got my coffee. No, it's not my coffee, it's your coffee. So really, it should be called yours, but it's called mine. So, basically you have 4 different settings, and if you've got more people in your family, then you need to find some contraception or something, because you can't have that many people on this machine, okay? So, you've just got 4 types of coffee, okay? You can make it variations of a cappuccino, so you have a cappuccino that's slightly stronger or slightly weaker. Then you can change the second one, so maybe you're a latte drinker, but you like your latte nice and strong, so you can set that. And these are set 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then the member of the family can come up, press the My Coffee button, select the number that's them, and it will make the coffee the way they like. That way you don't have lots of people coming in and changing the settings all of the time when you're trying to drink a drink, which can be quite annoying, because if you've got 2 latte drinkers, they might both have it set differently, and then you're forever changing the settings, so you don't have to worry about that with this machine. Okay, so we're going to make an Americano. Americano, we've got our coffee amount here, we've got our water amount here. As you can see, I can take this up, take it down, it's adjusting the ratio accordingly on the screen. Can't change my coffee now because it stopped grinding. Can obviously use really small adjustments as well. Just pressing on there. So that's the coffee component of the drink. Now it's going to mix it with just hot water. The idea of that gives you a much smoother cup. Slight different taste to a filter coffee, where all the water is taken through the filter. Okay, there we have it. Delicious. As you can see, obviously because it's Americano, you've still got the cream on the top, and how you get on a filter coffee. Okay, so it's latte macchiato. It's a layered latte. Can decrease the strength, increase the strength. Pressing the actual button on the side. Just heating up now to make sure it's nice and warm. grinding the coffee. You'll hear it run dry. The coffee will drop through the foam and rest above the milk. There we have layered latte macchiato. So you would. It's just telling me there that it's run out of water to even tell me where it is. It's so clever. Delicious. Okay, so the other thing it has on is plug and clean. Okay, so normally that's in your milk container. We pop it into there because we've got dirty milk in the system. It'll come up easy clean. It's not doing a moment silly things asking for water. Okay, so what we do is pop it in there and then press yes. It'll flush water through here, getting rid of these bits of milk, and it will also flush water through there. Now, some machines don't do that, so you end up with lots horrible milk clogged in there for a long period of time, and it goes off, and that's obviously bad for taste and also bad for hygiene. So you don't have to worry about that with a Melitta. Then you have a deeper clean that you need to do on every bean to cup. Normally you've got lots of fiddly parts inside bean to cup machines. Not so with this one. Just pop it off like that, take that off like that, and take the other section off. Clean that milk through that you can see there. Pop it back on. Back onto the machine. Not easy to see when you've got a bean for a head. Okay, and there we have it, all done.